How to fix slow download speed on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix slow download speed on Android. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. To fix slow download speeds on Android, you will need to first try the basic steps, like restarting your phone. So, depending on your Android version, you can either long press on the power button or press on the power and the volume button together, and you'll find the restart option. Tap on restart and then restart your device. That's the first step. Other than that, what you can also do is toggle on your airplane mode. So swipe down from the top here and you should find the airplane mode. If you don't find it, swipe down again and search for the airplane mode here. You'll find your airplane mode, simply tap on that and turn it on. After you do that, you can turn it off by pressing on it again. And after that, you can reconnect to your Wi-Fi. After you reconnect to your Wi-Fi, your internet connection should get connected right away if it's good and stable. If not, you can try to connect to any other Wi-Fi as well. If the problem persists, you can close the background apps. To do that, swipe up from the bottom. Let me show you. So let's open few apps for the background, and if you swipe up, you can then swipe up all your apps and remove it from the background. You can also free up storage and ensure your phone's software is up to date. So for that, you can head over to your settings. On your settings, you can head over to system. Then there you'll find the system updates option. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, you'll find if there is an update available. If there is, tap on update and update your device. So after that, your problem should get fixed if it's from your mobile's end. If not, if the Wi-Fi is still not working or the download speed is still slow, it might be Wi-Fi issue. So for that, you can check your router's placement, you can restart the router, and other than that, you can simply contact your carrier server or ISP, internet service provider, and update your settings there. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.